Hello, my name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Oliver from the Gap Group, and you've won an award today. What have you won?
I've won the Individual Apprentice Mentor of the Year award.
So you're actually helping people get into positions like this where they can win Stars of the Future awards, and you're teaching the next generation. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. I'm so proud of the apprentices that we have at our depot. They've just come on absolute leaps and bounds, and it's been a pleasure to support them through that journey.
So at Gap Group, I'm unsure what Gap Group does exactly, but can you explain to the viewers who may want to join in and be taught by you as an apprentice what you do at Gap Group?
Yeah, of course. So specifically at our depot, we're a plant and tools depot. We've got a variety of tools and equipment, plant equipment. We've got excavators, dumpers, and any apprentices that are interested in working on this sort of machinery and just learning how to service them and maintain them, then it would be a perfect opportunity for them to come along.
I definitely agree, Oliver, and it's brilliant that you're able to mentor these people, and you're also shown the hard work that you've put into mentoring the apprentices and the next generation who are coming into the industry.
Definitely.
You really are helping construction move on and continue. Thank you.
Thank you very much.